Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Aludin Ilham, NIM saya 18720500035. Saya dari semester 3 Prodi Pendidikan Ekonomi Malam, Fakultas Ilmu Pendidikan, Universitas Pancasila Bekasi. Jadi adanya saya di sini, saya ingin memenuhi tugas UTS saya, tugas UTS Bahasa Inggris 3 dengan dosen pengampu yang terhormat yaitu Bapak Karyadi MM. The origins of Surabaya. Once upon a time, in the northern part of East Java, there lived a scary giant crocodile. He was the ruler of the river and a predator who was feared by all the animals in the forest near the river. The name of the crocodile was Baya. He was very good at hunting, so all of the animals in the jungle were afraid of him. Baya lived in a river. In the sea, there lived a whale shark named Sura. He rules the sea, and every fish was scared of him. However, Sura felt bored because he ate fish every day. He was curious about the river near the sea. One day, he decided to go to the river. At the side of the river, there was drinking water. Sura felt hungry, so he swam silently to the edge and jumped out the chat the deer. Sura was happy to get such delicious food. After eating the deer, Sura became addict. The next day, he hunted back on the river and got a lot of food. After a couple of days, Baya became suspicious because it was harder and harder for him to find prey. He started investigating what was happening. When Baya saw Sura catch a little monkey in the river, Baya became angry. Hey Sura, what are you doing here? This is my territory. How dare you snatch my prey? Sura was not afraid of Baya. He challenged Baya to a fight. Hey, I can look for food anywhere I want. It's not just your territory here. All animals are free to look for food here. Finally, a fight could not be avoided, and the fight began because both of them were strong. The fight was very long, for days all of the animals in the forest were disturbed by the fight. The cold sleep. Finally, the two wild animals were exhausted. No one won and no one lost. Because both of them were equally strong, Sura, we bitter, and this fight am too tired. So am I. Baya, okay, let's end this battle. Sura, first we need to limit our hunting area. The end of the river is the limit. Don't you break the line, or you will feel the consequence. Okay, Baya, I accept this agreement. Sura finally left the river and returned to the sea. For months, the forest calmed down. There were no fights between Sura and Baya, but Sura felt uneasy. He longed to eat their meat like before. There were a lot of fish in the sea, but it wasn't enough for him. He could bear it. So quietly, he swam toward the most the mouth of the river. I've looked for prey near the river's mouth. Baya won't know because he left for the river. Unfortunately, no prey approached the mouth of the river. Sura was tired of waiting. Finally, he swam up the river. Toward the forest, Sura wanted to go back to jungle again. This time, he would be careful not to be caught by Baya. He, I will catch the prey and immediately bring it out to sea. So Baya won't see me. The plan was successful, and 4 months Sura hunted in the river without discover. Over time, Baya became suspicious because his prey was reduced, but this time he did not see Sura on the river. But he believed this was Sura. This must be Sura. Watch out, Sura. Then Baya prepared plan. Baya did, but didn't catch him right away. Instead, he heard the deers like so he could run away. The deer was placed on the edge of the river. Then Baya hid. A short time later, Sura swam up the river and saw the injured deer. He felt excited because the deer was fat. Wow, lucky me! Today I'll have a feast. Nah. Just as he was about to bring the deer of the sea, suddenly Baya confronted him. Hey, you sure are stubborn and shameless, Sura. How greedy are you? Imagine the fish in the sea are abundant, but you are still hunting in my area. Hey Baya, if you want, you can hunt in the sea. I don't forbid you. I like fish, and I especially can't stand the sea water. Well, it's okay if you don't want it. At least I have offered it to you. Sura answered lightly and directed the deer to sea. Baya got angry, then attacked Sura. Hey, where do you think you're bringing that deer? To the sea. Ill it deer. Bring the deer here. I caught it to trap you. Well, it's you fault. You didn't eat the deer yourself. You forgot on agreement. It's your fault. You didn't eat the deer yourself. You forgot our agreement. This river is my territory. Hey, if there is water, this is me. This agreement is delicious. Okay, then our agreement isn't cancelled. Now status one has the right to roll this. Finally, Baya attack Sura. A fight could be prevented. This time it was even more exciting. No one dare to approach the area of the fight. Here, Sura always dodged his attacks, and Baya became annoyed. When Sura was off guard, Baya managed to beat his tail. Oh, my tail! Sura did not want to lose, but both of them were in pain, seriously injured. However, Baya did not despair. He continued to beat until then Sura has not dared to approach the river, and since he no longer had a tail, He could swim he once had arc it so painful. Oh my, to commemorate the first big fight, the area where the two animals fought was called Surabaya, and the name remains to this day. Thanks for watching. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.